Hello viewers, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of the best oven baked chicken wings. Now if this is your first time watching any of my videos, leave a comment to introduce yourself, give me a thumbs up, share some love and subscribe. Now let's go straight into the video. This is my chicken wings. This has been washed with vinegar, and what I've done as well is just remove as much of the moisture or water from the chicken wing itself. You could use paper towel just to dry some of the excess water on the chicken. So this has been washed and cleaned very thoroughly. So I'm gonna season this now. Firstly, add a bit of salt. Not a lot. You don't want your food to be too salty. Finally, I'm gonna add some cayenne pepper. This is cayenne pepper. I'm gonna add some paprika as well. Paprika, hot paprika. And also I'm gonna add some browning. And this is just for coloring purposes. I'm not gonna add a lot, just about a teaspoonful. Yeah, that should be enough. This up inside it as well is just natural ingredients. So I'm gonna be a bit generous and add 2 of these spoonful on it. And I think all I need to do now is to rub everything together. Just gonna rub everything together. You can see the browning giving the chicken wing a nice little color. Now if you watch my videos, you know that when I'm cooking, my cooking is always preparing from the day before, or a day before, or maybe sometime even 2 days before. So this, I'm not gonna cook this until tomorrow. This will be oven cooked as well. So this is now seasoned and ready. I'm just gonna leave it overnight in the fridge to get it to marinate. I mean, the quality of your cooking is in your preparation. So when you're gonna cook, just prepare your stuff maybe a day before, and you get that good quality taste. Okay, here is the wings that I've seasoned yesterday. I'm gonna put it in this baking tray here. Let me remove the cover. So I've aligned the baking tray with some grease paper. So I'm just gonna put everything in now on this baking tray. And I'm just gonna use this, just gonna put them evenly on the tray, nice and spacious. Because I'm at home today, I'm not going anywhere, I'm not in a rush, so I'm not gonna turn up the oven too high for start. I'm just gonna keep it maybe about 150, and then once it's almost cooked, I'll turn it up a bit so that the wings get some color. So I'm gonna put these in the oven now. These are the chicken wings. It's about halfway through cooking, and I'm just gonna turn these over. So my wing is now finished, as you can see, and I'm just gonna take this out of the oven. This looks absolutely delicious. Here's your chicken wings. I'm just gonna have it with some vegetables and some sauce. The sauce, I've made that sauce myself. I'm using that same green seasoning paste as the base of that sauce. Looks really yummy, tastes really yummy as well. So let's go and have a taste now. Alright, so I'm just gonna have a taste of this delicious oven baked chicken wings. You can use your fingers, I mean, don't bother with the pot for the chicken wings. I'm just gonna dip it in this sauce. Now this sauce was made by myself using the green seasoning paste as the base as well. So let me have a taste. This is so nice. I can taste all the flavors coming out on the sauce, on the chicken wing itself. This is absolutely delicious. Now please remember, leave a comment to introduce yourself, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.